Next, this is Form 4 Chapter 5 in SPM 2025 Paper 2 Question 4. And in your test paper, you are given the colored semicircle. 它是给你这个的哈 with blue and yellow. This is not a color one, okay? Diagram below shows part of the pattern that is made from infinite number of semicircles. Can you please highlight the word infinite number of semicircles on a straight line? You highlight the word progression. Here, you don't need to do anything. You need to know that it is related to sum to infinity. A over 1 minus R. Remind yourself when it deals with circle question, students will be confused with radius and ratio. This is ratio. 它不是 radius, it is not radius bukan jejaring 不是半径它是 ratio 来的。OK, semicircles. 好了。As more semicircles are added to the pattern, the total length here will be my S infinity of the diameters approaches 38 cm. Pew pew, S infinity equals to 38. The common ratio of the GP of the diameter is 4 over 5. Common ratio R is equals to 4 over 5 and we deal with diameter. This is your A. T1, T2, and so on. T2, T3, and so on. Okay, so settle. But A, find the diameter of the first semicircle. The question asks you A is equals to what? You are given S infinity 是38, ratio is 4 over 5. You substitute inside, you should get the mark. And the very funny thing is this simple question, you are given 2 marks. It's a GP. 如果你是我的学生, this is the magic that help you to answer everything correctly. Ratio, I don't know. Ratio, 我不知道. The first term equals to A. The common ratio equals to 4 over 5. And we are given S infinity equals to 38. A over 1 minus 4 over 5 equals to 38. A, the first term is equals to 7.6 cm. Okay, so the first term, the diameter of the first circle, 1 mark, 1 mark. This is the part that help you. Now you already know that your A is 7.6. I can upgrade. Find the arc length. What is the meaning of arc length? The curve. This is the arc length. Understand? One more time. This is the arc length. S is equals to r theta. The r there means radius of the 8 circle. So when you are asked to find out the arc length, I need radius. When I need radius, I need to know the diameter. I need to know the diameter of the 8 circle. What I haha about then? I never laugh at you also la Wi-Fi. T8 equals to, remember my magic just now I write already, A R n minus 1. You please don't write r to the power of 7. I get 1.594. Don't forget we are calculating the diameter. I use navy pen to help you. Diameter. But what I want to know the arc length. I need the radius, correct? I need the radius. Arc length, the formula will be r theta. Arc length of 8 semicircle. Arc length equals to r radius 1.598 over 2 diameter to radius theta. Semicircle, what is the angle? Okay, 这一个是 for Form 4 students, you don't know. You can only use the original one first. But because this one you learn in Form 5 chapter 1, we use pi. Okay, remember pi radian equals to 180 degree. Arc length S is equals to r theta. But anyhow, soon you will know. You will get the answer. Okay, I write wrong, is it? 5938. So it should be 594. $3.14. Okay. And except Form 5 chapter 1. Except Form 5 chapter 1, we change it to 3.142. The rest, we don't change. The rest, we don't change. So my answer will be 0.797. You don't write first, please. By cm. Did you realize what is the problem now? What is the problem now? My final answer, only 3 significant figures. Means I cannot get the mark. I will not get the mark. What should I do? I need to increase this part. Increase 1 more decimal places. Now, SPM nowadays, they keep playing on this stuff. Because they are finding ways to let students lose the marks. Not to let students know the marks, but to let students know that what they should pay attention to. Likely, in the future, if you are a surgeon, if you don't care about all this, you are very scared though. You see, you get 0.79695 cm. My final answer need to be in 4 significant figures. 1 mark for this. 1 mark for this. Okay. Next one. Part B. Given that the sum of the area of first n blue semicircles, 看好好 I want blue one. 它是 blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Just now I purposely write the T1, T3 to show you. Which means T2 is yellow, T4 is yellow, T6 is yellow. I do not want. I'm looking at the blue one only. I need to know, 我需要知道是 T1, T3, T5, T7, and so on. Okay? I do not want to know anything about the yellow color part. 我不要黄色的. So what should I do? I need to check and see what is my T1, T2, sorry, T1, T3, T5, and so on. Okay? So here, sum of the sum of the area of the first n blue circle. Okay. Be careful, huh? At first, we are calculating about diameter. Diameter is a GP. First term, 7.6. Common ratio, 4/5. First, blue semicircle. T1. I got 7.6. T3. T3 is the second semicircle. A, R, n minus 1. Here, T3 is the second blue semicircle. I get 608/125. T5. $9,728. 9728/3125. 这个都是 diameter 罢了哈。This is only the diameter ha. After I got the diameter, I need to find the area. To find the area, I need to refine everything. 我需要重新找过全部东西。1/2 r squared theta. 这个是 Form 5 Chapter 1 also, but you just substitute into this one. So the first one, one over 2, 7.6 square theta. Pi我们没有按 calculator 的。Correct? Wrong. Because I want radius. I do not want diameter. T2, 1/2. Okay, this one is a 3 layers. 我的 T2 是608/125. This is the diameter. 608/125. Like this. Why I need this? I need to find out what are the area and also the ratio. 我找到我的 area 跟我的 ratio。那先找 ratio 先。Maybe you left some space here. So 这是 7.22 pi. So the ratio, don't scared, okay? It looks complicated only. Looks 罢了 Later I show you. 我的 T1. Cancel, 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 cancel. After that, square and square can also. So what you get? You don't know, then you press everything. This is because your basic is not good. You get 0.4096. 再一次哈，我手你哈 cancel, cancel. Okay, 1/2 and 1/2. Pi and pi. This one got square, this one got square. So I need to keep it. This and this will cancel. What you need to do is, I'm try. What you need to do is you take this 608/125 divided by 7.6. and then you square it. Okay? The square cannot be cancelled. Your Form 3, Chapter 1. A square over B square is equals to A over B, the whole thing square. I get 0.4096. Conclusion. Is a GP my first area 7.22 pi, my common ratio 0.4096. 这一个 I can continue. I was given the sum of the first n blue semicircles is less than 12 pi. Sn is less than 12 pi. Sn less than 12 pi. Formula. This is less than 1. 它小过1. The formula will be Sn equals to like this. One minus 0.4096 n over 1 minus 0.4096 less than 12 pi. This line confirm will give you 1. Compared to 2023 and 2024, this question is easy. 它是容易的。Your calculator calculate, you move. This one you move. 乘12除7.22, I get 8856. And I need to make sure the one with n is positive, so I move. I got 169 over 9020 is 0.4096 to the power of n. Okay? Now, when I change place, I'm not sure how your teacher teach you, but for me, I told my student to look at the mouth of the crocodile. 它是吃掉0.4 eat this part. So when I change the place, it should eat this part. So after that, can I do anything? My log come already. This side still no mark yet because you never apply the logarithm rules. Logarithm law. This is the line that gives you another mark. 0.4096 is a negative number. When you divide, you need to change the inequality sign. They want to see this. I get 4.457. And is equals to 4. Ising tajuk ke tempat. This is the final one. 1 mark. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Another mark is given on. You are able to find the first term. And the diameter thing will not give you any mark. 这个 part no marks. These are all what you see on my screen is only 4 marks. They worth 4 marks only. Okay? Yes. So I think I will still see you next week for Form 4 students, and Form 5 if I cannot finish, then I will record it as video and I will upload in my YouTube channel. So before I end, if you are still not in my community group, you can text me, and then so that I can add you into the group, and you can get this copy from me. And last thing will be the SPM seminar. If you want to register, please be quick. All right. Don't worry. I can guarantee you can understand NMAX and BM at least. Okay. Bye bye. That's all. See you.